We're about an hour out of Chongqing in Hechuan province. We're at the site of an ancient fortress where the Song dynasty in the 13th century held out the Mongol Empire for 36 years, killing the Great Khan and beginning the toppling of the Mongol Empire. Welcome to China. Make it good. See a master at the gym, just come to China.
Although the Mongols in the southern Song were united in their fight to bring down the Hechuan dynasty, their pact broke immediately afterwards, and the Mongols launched an aggressive war against the tenacious southern Song.
Another day, another beautiful mountain pass. In danger of getting desensitized to all these natural wonders.
The Song army was able to defend itself by forming smaller military units that did not have superiority over each other. In 1243, Yu Ji was appointed the commander of the Song army in Sichuan. In order to reverse the dire situation in Sichuan, Yu sought the advice of the people under his command. Ran Lian and Ran Pu, two hermits of the Baozhou era, came to his office and offered him the plan of building a castle at Hechuan. Specifically, the plan was to build a castle on Diaoyu Mountain of Hechuan.
Are you ready? Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Did they send me daughters when I asked for sons? You're the saddest spot I ever saw.
Is this Mulan?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, Mulan.
Mysterious as the dark side of the moon.
More stairs. More stairs.
Hechuan sits at the eastern entrance of the Sichuan region, and the Mongols had to pass it before advancing further into the interior. Thus, Diaoyu Mountain was a great defensive vantage point for the Song army. Diaoyu Castle was built in March 1243 and became the administrative center of Hechuan County. Meanwhile, the Mongols began to cultivate the lands and occupied territories in Sichuan.
I have to remember to cut out the audio in this bit so you can't hear me puffing like an old man.
This action distressed the Song army since they would not be able to recover these lost territories once the Mongols acquired a permanent source of food and supplies. The long-term standoff between Song and Mongols lasted until 1258. After receiving news that the Mongols had sacked Baghdad, Mongol Khan decided to break the standoff by leading a large army to Sichuan itself. Mongol Khan, who was the fourth emperor of the Mongol Empire, ruling from the 1st of July 1251 till 11th of August 1259. He was the first Khagan from the Tulud line and made significant reforms to improve administration of the empire during his reign. Under Mongol, the Mongols conquered Iraq and Syria as well as Dali Kingdom, which is modern Yunnan. He was kind of a badass. In the period from 1243 to 1279, Diaoyu experienced more than 200 military confrontations and a miracle of persistent resistance that endured for 36 years.
Un, dos, tres, cuatro.
Though numbering more than 10,000 and led by the great Khan Mongol himself, the Mongols were unable to take the tiny fortress.
We could have just caught the bus up here.
Oh, this is a freaking tour bus.
That was the tour bus. That was the shuttle bus.
I think we can go on it with our ticket.
Did we?
Yeah, because we bought a full ticket.
Oh.
Take it down.
Yeah. I've no interest in going back down. On foot, I mean.
And all the falls of the great typhoon, mysterious as the dark side of the moon.
Stop that. It's enough fucking Mulan for one day.
No!
pretty fucking evil looking elephant. That's gonna fuck you up, Mongols. Fuck you. That one looks like it's got a ball gag. There's some fetish lines.
Yu Jian won many brilliant victories, culminating in the death of Mongol Khan himself. Sources differ on how Mongol actually died. Chinese sources largely claim that Mongol was mortally wounded by a crossbow arrow. The Persian sources suggest that Mongol died from infectious disease. However, my personal favourite is that he was taken out with a one-shot by a stone projectile from a trebuchet. So this badass 4th Mongol emperor cunt got smoked by a rock from a catapult. That is some fucking crazy shit. So needless to say, after seeing their leader get sconed in the head with a giant fucking rock, they decided not to fuck with Hechuan or Diaoyu Castle anymore. This sort of brought about the end of the Mongol Empire and caused a bunch of civil wars which basically disrupted the entire fucking war machine and brought down like 100 years of conquest.
One thing about this country I kind of admire is they love massive riding on cliffs. It's cool as hell.
That's right. Back towards Chongqing.
Whoever pulled the ripcord on that trebuchet, I hope they got a motherfucking pay rise. Wenfeng Ancient Street. We kind of stumbled across this place accidentally. We just saw it on the map and decided to go for a look. And boy, it did not disappoint. Located in the Hechuan district of Chongqing, China, Wenfeng Ancient Street is a 600-meter commercial promenade featuring traditional Ming and Qing dynasty architecture. It is famous for its Hongyudong-style buildings, local eats like Hechuan sliced pork, which we're going to get down on pretty soon, and some local landmarks like the Wenfeng Pagoda.
Restaurant scene is pretty similar, so we just pick one we like. Look over.
Yeah, sweet. That one's straight ahead.
So we didn't actually know this when coming here, but Hechuan food culture is kind of its own thing within the Sichuan province. It centers around bold, tongue-numbing mala flavors, just like Chongqing, but the cuisine is combined with ancient regional specialties.
Yeah. But more spicy. That is definitely my jam.
It was quite unlike any of the food we had in the rest of Sichuan province, and I would love to have had some more time to dig in a bit deeper.
But every meal I've had,
It's been life-changing.
yeah.
Random too, like not planned, but haven't stored out anything. You know, we just walk into the first place we see and it's like awesome.
Yeah. Even the train station, like, takeaway shit I ate this morning was delicious.
It really was.
Yeah. You go from this to that, it's amazing. The Sichuan people kind of makes that interesting. Right?
You're never going to get that.
The more I eat of this, the more I love it.
Yeah. And it makes that crazy. If you eat one of those and then eat a piece of pumpkin, like it's amazing.
Yeah. The pumpkin really works.
I think it's Seniors Day. There seems to be just like all the seniors in the whole of Chongqing here today.
Hello. Hello, ni hao.
新西兰。
新西兰。
Thank you. 谢谢.
Called you American, so.
Oh, no, no American. Oh, yeah. No. Fucking huge.
What would she say?
I have no idea. I can't tell. I think it's something about my top, but I don't know. Maybe too ruckus.
Too middle.
Yeah, maybe.
Noodles?
Look at these ones.
So you think we've got to film and play afterwards?
Oh yeah, I know. I always forget, and then the next time I go to run, they're like, no.
Jingshui Temple is a historic Buddhist site located in Hechuan. It is one of the 4 famous temples in Hechuan that face Diaoyu Fortress, and it was lovely little sojourn in the afternoon. We just sort of decided to stop it on our way back, so we had a couple of minutes to kill before we had to catch a train, and it was well worth getting off the beaten track a little bit to find this local gem. I can smell the goodness already. As it was our last night in Chongqing, we decided to go all in and eat at one of the city's many air-raid shelter hot pots. Eating a hot pot inside a World War II bomb shelter is a uniquely authentic Chongqing experience. The cabin tunnels provide natural air-conditioned coolness while you enjoy fiery, numbing Sichuan beef tallow broth. These historic repurposed bunkers are famous for their massive scale, and honestly, the hottest thing I think I've ever put in my body outside of Thailand. This broth was fucking next level, and it was delicious. Air-raid cheddar hot pot, let's do it.
Duck?
Beef tendon.
Beef tendon?
Yeah.
Oh, there's your sausage, I think.
Sausage. I try to get lamb, beef, and pork. It looks enormous, but it's just the shape of the bowl.
Yeah.
It's like a pile of meat.
But we've got all night.
Mushrooms, tofu skin. Gotta get some veggies in, so we got some lettuce.
Yeah.
Definitely good veggies.
Some shredded potatoes.
Oh yeah, sliced potatoes.
Sliced
sweet
potatoes.
potato,
And some sheep tofu.
other
Is it
stuff.
crispy? Oh, it's crispy.
Yeah, noodles.
Oh,
We got noodles, and we got woody mushrooms. Fucking what's up now? Is that everything? God, I hope that's everything. Let the games begin. Yeah, do it. So, progress report. I think this is the spiciest hot pot we've had yet. It's also the most delicious.
But if you just eat one thing at a time and cook it and hold on.
Stop telling me how to live!
Spicy.
comprehend that it is incredibly spicy and incredibly tasty.
So tasty.
But it is really spicy.
It's evil, but it's addictive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. You've on board.
Alright, we're one cannibal down, and we're on to the second one. This is not a bad drop, actually. Would recommend, would repurchase.
We have survived.
The
Aye.
hot pot Chongqing experience is complete. Let's go get some beers. Honestly, I was super sad to be leaving the cyber city of Chongqing behind. It was a real revelation. It was a beautiful mix of ancient history and future technology, amazing fucking food, incredible people, and they had a good craft beer scene, so what the fuck is up? I couldn't have asked for much more except for more time, because there was so much more to see, and I think I'll definitely be back. But next we move on to Xi'an, up the north, and we're gonna go see the Terracotta Warriors and eat some Roji Mao and have a fucking good time on the streets with the locals. Make it good. Is it doable?
It's the last one.
It's the last one they have.
No, we haven't.
Oh yeah, okay, fair enough. Yeah, we'll go somewhere else. So, final review on Earl Panda. It is shit. Do not buy this. Would not repurchase. It's basically a crap lager with crap passion fruit cordial in it. Do not do it. We're now drinking Coronas, not by choice, but because that was the only half decent option. Anyway, come to Chongqing and eat hot pot. It fucking rules. Cheers.